इसके बाद इंग्लिश तकरीर के लिए अब्दुल मोइज़ को दावत देता हूँ कि वो आए और इंग्लिश तकरीर पेश करें।
I would like to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to our respected chief guests, teachers and dear friends. Let me let you know something about this special occasion. Today we are celebrating 67th Republic Day of our nation. It was started since 1950, 2.5 years late to the independence of India in 1947. We celebrate it every year on 26th of January as our constitution came into effect on the same day. After getting independence from the British rule in 1947, India was not a self-ruled country, means a sovereign state. India became a self-governing country when its constitution came into effect on the same day. India is a republic country which has no any king or queen to rule it. However, public of this country is the ruler. Every one of us living in this country has equal rights. No one can be a president, chief minister or prime minister without voting of us. We have the right to choose our best prime minister or other leaders to lead this country in the right direction. Our leaders should be capable enough to think in the favor of our country. He should think equally about every state, village and cities of the country, so that India can be a well-developed country without any discrimination of religion, illiteracy. As being an Indian citizen, we too are fully responsible about our country. We should make ourselves up to date, read news and be completely aware of what are going on in our country. What are going on wrong or right? What are our leaders doing? And firstly, what we are doing for our country. Earlier, India was a slave country under British rule, which was made independent after several years of struggle by the sacrifices of thousands of lives of our freedom fighters. So we should not let go easily. There are priceless sacrifices and make this country a slave country again under corruption, inequality and other social discrimination. Today is the best day when we should take an oath to preserve our country's real meanings and most importantly culture of humanity. Thanks. Jai Hind.